are on the coconut boat now with our driver. Hello. I mean, not driver. Yeah, hello. Yay. We were given these hats to wear. Look at how cool.
Don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her.
So this is a 40 minutes ride and we paid about $8.70 Singapore dollars per person, and we get to see the performance as well, the spinning coconut boat ride, which I'm so excited to see. We'll find out if we're actually going to try it later.
I'll make sure she tries it.
He's very interested in what's going on with the vlogging situation. My friends are just on the next boat. Hi guys, how's it going?
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. I'm mesmerized like every night by every word.
He has a spare paddle here for us to try. Hopefully this helps him a little bit.
Are you sure? I feel like you're turning the boat, yeah?
She doesn't know.
You can see his reaction.
She's got a certain kind of gravity.
Go,
Okay.
go,
Okay, okay.
go.
Yeah. Faster, faster.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, We are at the coconut forest now. Actually, I had no idea how coconut... I thought coconut trees grow on the land. But apparently this is... Yes. Oh, here. Okay. Yeah. So these are coconut trees. I'm not able to spot any coconuts, actual coconuts. So we're having... Oh, hello. Yeah. I'll have to use Google Translate to find out how the coconuts are actually growing here. These are the roots. And actually the water is really shallow if you take a look. Yeah, very interesting how this... It almost feels like a mangrove forest, but not really mangrove. Yeah, very interesting. Obviously, I'm not educated on these coconut plants, so I have to update this part of the clips once I'm back. please refer here.
So apparently this is the coconut fruit. Coconut? Oh, coconut. Oh. Okay. So actually, the boat driver kindly explained to us that this is actually a water coconut instead of a normal coconut. So that's why it looks like this.
Dừa nước.
Dừa nước. Ah, so interesting.
Got me dizzy, head is spinning when she comes around. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she's the only thing that keeps me in this lonely town. She's got a hold. She's got that certain kind of gravity. And she doesn't know that I wanna slow. And when I see her, I believe in every hunger telling Sinatra song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going. Like the whole world stopped for her, but she...
We've become a sailboat now. We've upgraded from being a coconut boat to a sailboat. The wave every time we come next to each other. Oh.
No, it's okay, no hit me. We have a safe distancing.
Yeah, safe distancing protocol on this boat with our pets.
Giờ em biết em phải làm sao đây, vì tình mình chia đôi ngoài trời một mưa phơn giăng kín lời xin lỗi. Em phải làm sao đây, một màng rồi sao anh phải làm sao để em bước tới tìm đâu mà lối nhưng bây giờ chỉ stuck in the past. Never knew it would last this long. And it's breaking my heart, no, no. Don't know where to go, don't know what to do without you. You know my life, you was a cheat, you best of fun. You know my life, you know my life, you was a cheat.
Please click here for subscribe and please like the video.
You know my life.